What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this concrete driveway. So in the last video I resurfaced this pad right here, and like I said in the last video that I'm going to redo this one and then those two up there. Those two in the middle are pretty good, but this is how it looks after, I don't know, like a week and a half, 2 weeks of drying. I forget exactly how long it's been, but today we're going to be working on this one. You can see it has a lot of pretty bad spalling right here, a lot of divots, and like I was saying, it makes it if you guys watched the first video, it makes shoveling this all really hard. So I already added a little patch over here because this was all missing. So I did that yesterday. It's all dry now, should be good. I cleaned up a little bit in here, and we're gonna just pretty much follow the same process as last time. I'm gonna take a grinder and grind the surface off, and then add some bonding stuff. This is what I'm going to be using, concrete bonding adhesive, and we're going to see if we can get a better result this time. Now that I've had a little bit of experience with this material, the Quikrete recap right here, about 35 bucks a bag. This took 1.5 bags, so I'm assuming I can do this with 1.5 bags too. So that's what I have left. So now I have a little bit of experience with that. I'm hoping to get a little bit of a better finish on this one. So let's get started. So today I'm gonna try mixing a half bag at a time. See how far that gets us. That should be enough material for me to work with at a time. Alright guys, I think I got the consistency I want, so I'm gonna give us a go. All right, guys, it's the next day here. I got this other pad done. I definitely had a little bit better results on this pad when I was spreading more material at one time. See, I patched this corner over here. There was a little bit missing right here, so the very edge didn't turn out perfect, but we're looking good now. It's looking a ton better. I really fixed these two pads a lot. I got all the seams caulked with Sikaflex self-leveling. So if you guys remember what it looked like before, I'll show you a little before. And then after. The one issue I did have was had a little spot right here that came out kind of smooth. So I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with that, but I'm going to figure something out. So yeah, guys, these two pads, I used exactly 3 bags of the Quikrete recap. I believe they're 40-pound bags, around $35 a piece. Yeah, so used 3 of them. And I'm not sure how many tubes of caulking I used for this, but pretty much 1 for every seam. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, roughly 5. But I think I'm gonna just touch this up real quick. I'll show you guys doing that. I'm gonna clean up all this. This is why I'm caulking the inner, all of these seams, the expansion joints, because I want to eliminate the weeds that grow up out of the middle. So I'm gonna clean this up and show you guys me caulking that. Alright guys, this is what I got so far. So I underestimated how deep this one was. There's some really deep spots. So I ended up using 2 tubes of that caulking, of the self-leveling caulking, and I got a little over halfway, but I could probably still use 1 more full tube to finish this up. It's coming a long way. I'm making a lot of progress on this. I still need to pressure wash these 2 pads, and then I'm going to work on these 2 next. I just picked up 2 more bags of the Quikrete recap, so I'm going to work on this one next, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do with this one. But yeah, still got some pressure washing to do, but this driveway is going to be a lot nicer when I'm done. I still have to caulk, put the self-leveling between all these edges, so that's going to be a lot. Still got a lot of work to do. But yeah guys, hope you're enjoying these little videos on repairing this concrete. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next video and see how it turns out when it's all done. And do me a favor and hit that like button down below. I really appreciate it. Helps my channel grow, helps the video reach a wider audience. So yeah guys, drop a thumbs up down below. So that's gonna be it for today guys. Got 2 pads done. Next video is probably gonna be on that top one. Maybe some Escalade stuff. I got some parts to fix. Yeah guys, hope you have a great day. Peace.